Experiencing server timeouts in EASD25 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow this guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help clear any temporary issues and refresh your connection. Step 3. Update game and console. Make sure that both your game and console are updated to the latest versions. Developers often release patches to fix connectivity issues, so keeping everything updated is crucial. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. You can also try changing the DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8 for potentially better performance. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to EA support for assistance. They may provide specific solutions or inform you of any ongoing server issues that could be affecting your gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your connection and reduce server timeouts. Happy gaming!